It's done! Mr. and Mrs. Garcia!
To touch, to feel your body close to me. I just want to hold you in my arms forever. I love you, baby.
As we walk down the aisle together, we will vow to be together till we die. So in love are we two, just can't wait to say I do. So in love are you and I. So in love are you and I. So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love.
Welcome, family and friends. We are so happy that you were able to make it here today. Welcome to the union of Maria Cristina Garcia and Derrick Anthony Garcia. You have been asked here to gather and be witness to share the joy of this momentous occasion. Bienvenidos a todos los amigos y familia de María Cristina García y Derrick Anthony García. Estamos muy contentos que pudieron venir y participar como testigos para esta boda y celebrar una unión tan especial. Este tipo de celebración trascendental no ocurre todos los días. Todo empezó con un simple hola, una amistad fuerte que evolucionó a una relación fuerte, una vida entera y tantas sorpresas en el camino para llegar a donde estamos ahora. Estamos aquí. Let's open our hearts and fill our spirits with love and appreciation. We give thanks for Maria and Derrick for their beautiful hearts and willing spirits and for the example of love that they embody here today. May they be blessed on this joyous occasion of showing their love and making their vows, and to us, their witnesses, so that we might all be inspired by the blessings shared today. Marriage is the ultimate union, the biggest adventure, and the most intimate of all the human relationships. Abramos nuestros corazones y llenémonos de amor. Damos gracias por María y Derrick, por el ejemplo de amor que nos dan hoy. Muchas bendiciones en este día y el resto de sus vidas, como marido y mujer. Los dos están dispuestos a entrar en esta unión con libertad propia y con la intención de ser fiel uno a otro, compartiendo toda la felicidad y tristeza, toda la alegría y pena, entrando a una nueva etapa de su relación como marido y mujer y todo lo que el mundo les brinda a los dos. Cuando la frustración, dificultades y tristeza los llene, no hay que enfocar en lo negativo y deje que pase la tormenta, porque aunque no puedan ver el sol por un momento, ese sol detrás de las nubes siempre estará para darle la luz del amor. Es recordarse de decirse te amo por lo menos una vez al día. It's never going to bed angry, es nunca acostarse enojados. It is having a mutual sense of values and common objectives. And you're going to look at each other in your eyes. These are the hands of your best friend. They are holding yours on your wedding day. They promise to love you today, tomorrow, and forever. These hands will give you strength when you most need it. These hands will cover you with love and tenderness. These hands will help you build every day a love that will last a lifetime. With your eyes locked in each other and your hands united in this blessing, this beautiful symbol of the union of two hearts, two souls, and two lives. Estas son las manos de tu mejor amigo. Están tomando las tuyas en el día de tu boda, mientras prometen amarte hoy, mañana y siempre. Estas son las manos que trabajarán juntos para construir un futuro. Estas son las manos que te acompañarán a lo largo de los años, apoyándote, cuidándote y apreciándote cada vez que te toquen. Esta bendición será el símbolo de una unión de dos corazones, dos vidas y dos seres muy especiales. Do you, Derrick, take Maria as your wife, as your companion and best friend for life? Will you treat her with love and devotion, honor and respect as a faithful and caring husband? María, ¿tomás a Derrick como tu esposo, como tu compañero, mejor amigo de la vida? ¿Lo tendrás junto a ti, brindándole amor y devoción, honor y respeto como una esposa querida y fiel? And now we're going to go on to the rings. A small ring of a precious metal was considered by our ancestors to be a symbol of eternity, since it has no beginning and no end, and the metal from which it is made of is indestructible, that neither time nor wear can destroy it. Let this union blessed on this day and sealed by this symbol be indestructible in its purity and eternal like the love that you share today. Un pequeño anillo de metal precioso era considerado por los antiguos como un emblema de eternidad, ya que está hecho en tal forma que no tiene ni principio ni fin. Mientras que el metal precioso de cual está hecho este anillo, se dice que es de tal modo incorruptible, que ni el tiempo ni el uso pueden dañarlo. Permitan que esta unión, solemnizada en esta ocasión y sellada por este emblema, sea incorruptible en su pureza y tan duradera como el tiempo mismo. Now, as you place, Derrick, the ring on Maria's finger, you're going to repeat these words. Maria, I offer you this ring.
Maria, I offer you this ring
As a symbol of my love.
as a symbol of my love,
As a constant reminder.
as a constant reminder
That I have chosen
that I
you.
have chosen you
Above all others.
above all others
To be the one.
to be the one
To share my life.
to share my life.
And now, Maria, as you place the Derrick's ring into his finger, you're going to repeat these words. Derrick, I offer you this ring.
Derrick, I offer you this ring
As a symbol of my love.
as a symbol of my love,
As a constant reminder.
as a constant reminder
That I have chosen you.
that I have chosen you
Above all others.
above all others
To be the one.
to be the one
To share my life.
to share my life.
Las arenas tienen tres colores diferentes representando a las tres vidas, María, Derrick y su hijo Nicolás. Las arenas no pueden separarse después que están juntas. Entonces, representando la unión permanente, esta unión de una familia fuerte. So now, Maria, Derrick, and Nicholas, as you each hold your sand, the separate containers represent your lives to this moment, individual and unique. As you now combine your sand together, your lives also join together as one. The life that each of you have experienced until now, individually, will hereafter be inseparably united. Just as these grains of sand can never be separated and poured again into the individual containers. So your new life together will be. You may now blend the sands together, taking turns, symbolizing the uniting of your individual lives in marriage and as a strong family. So you're gonna just pour a little bit, then each of you kind of do a little bit exact until you no longer have any sand.
One more than that, right? Okay.
Shake it.
Okay.
Right to the top, almost to the top, not all the way. Go, 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 go,
Okay, cool.
go, 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 go,
Come on.
Wow, okay, so then, I guess I'm next. That's a lot of, they're going to be doing this a few times.
It's fine, just you can fill it, and then it will naturally fall into
Yeah.
the right place. María y Derrick, con la presencia de familia y amistades, han compartido lo que los une en matrimonio y de ahora en más como marido y mujer, recibiendo la bendición de todos nosotros. Sean fiel unos a otros, generosos con su amor y abiertos con sus corazones. Acuérdense de este día tan especial y de las promesas hechas por los dos en esta unión. Con el poder otorgado por el Estado de Nueva York, es mi privilegio de declararlos a Derrick y María Garcia casados y unidos en matrimonio. It is the power invested by the state of New York. It is my pleasure and joy and privilege to declare you Derrick and Maria Garcia united and joined in matrimony. Derrick, you may now kiss your bride.
it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I